Hey everyone, welcome back. Can't see your account balance? Here's a quick guide that will help. First of all, make sure that you're logged in with the correct account. Then, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. If you're not available to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet so your app operates smoothly. Then you're going to go ahead and refresh the app by pulling down on the account dashboard. After that, head over to your settings app and then go to storage. Then scroll down, look at the Truist app, then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if the problem persists, contact Truist support to confirm no account issues. Your balance should display correctly once the app is refreshed and network issues are resolved, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.